Yes, good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. We are going to talk about GameStop, but I want to highlight for you AMC. AMC is already bounces. We have the candlestick which is already telling us we are going up. So don't worry. AMC is ready. So even you have already noticed AMC is 9% today up. I load more today, and I told you if you watch my video, I say AMZ, this is where I will buy between these $4. More than $5, I still buying. More than $6, I will still buy. More than 7, I will not buy more because I will hold what I have. So let's go to GME right now. So where is GME going to? So we are going to start right now. GameStop. I talked about GameStop yesterday. This candlestick you see on GameStop, we need another candlestick like we have this like all of these candles, guys. Sometimes is maybe the same, but this one you need to buy. You are supposed to buy AMC today around. We recorded AMC today around $18.98. So AMC visit the support, and right now because I've already told you about the support of AMC, let's see now. So let's see about yeah, so this where I told you yesterday, if you remember that AMC, remember when I was talking yesterday, in fact on Sunday, I talked when AMC trading around $27, I said this thing is going all the way to $17. So but right now we have these types of this candlestick, and when you see this one, this arrow, you see the tail is equal, but it's still pointed downside. So this one is not. I'm still going to look these types of the candlesticks like this one. So let's talk about this one. This one is always telling you is bullish, and this one also sometimes is telling you a bullish reason. Stock dipped to around $19, and then the volume buyers step in. He pushed stock to around 21, almost 22. Again today we saw this pushing, and then so I'm going to learn types of the candlestick, but we have already near, or we have already reached the support. So another video I say always it's not easy to time the bottom or to time the top. So maybe this is already a bottom, people are buying, and if you're still waiting to come to 17 or 18 exactly, you miss it. So everyone was waiting, and like me, I like to buy GameStop around this area. And let's see on 45 minutes. So that's a long term view, and on 45 minutes is telling you GameStop came all the way. Remember, we were supposed to bounce around here, and company announced that they are not going to make money on revenue on Q1 or Q2, and this is what happened. Stock dipped all the way, break all of these supports, and finally we came towards around 20, which is our support. And remember 18 today, we recorded this one as our bottom, and now where will be our next resistance. So we open another here. There are two things happen here. This thing by now we see is telling you we have another support around $6, and then resistance is 36. So where do you think is this is going down here or up here? So for me, GameStop is already bounces, and even on 45 minutes you can learn all of these things. Market's going to open tomorrow, and this thing may be, yeah, we have all that's types of the momentum. We have already have momentum, and you see, whenever this is what happened, guys, this is also resistance, and I didn't do a lot of videos today when stock was let me tell you, around here these things get started interesting when we break around $17 a few days ago. I think last week we came above. Whenever it came above, the stock keep all the way momentum above this thing, and finally when stock came down, we have this one as a candlestick that's indicating bullish, and then we had this one which is on top, and then followed by red which is was the bearish. Remember this one, if it was followed by the green, it was going to up. Like here, you follow it by the green which is pushed more, and that's like this one. You learn all of these types of candlesticks, and right now this line came to be our resistance, and today almost pre-market we have this candlestick which is give us a reversal, and then we have huge breakout, and then it came down. You have this one, he pushed it. We have this one which is closer today, and we are now going to avoid this one, which is going to follow. I think it's going to be more tall candlestick, and it's going to push above 25. Remember, our 25 right now is a resistance. So this one doesn't show right now because this is showing the everyday resistance, and even when you see over here right now, yeah, everything's now coming clear over here. I'm telling you, resistance is 36 and 51 on this GME. What else I supposed to show you again on the GME? I think we have already seen most. Maybe you can watch something like a relative strength index, and on relative index is around 51, extremely bullish, and on stock on RSI is already telling you after this stock pushed from $19 to 24, we reached the top here. Remember, this thing, guys, is only moving very fast. You see, yeah, it's checking every fast, like even one day is making huge. And this thing, guys, this is the important thing now. I want to show you on a GME. So when you watch somewhere here, it's telling you GME will come slightly down to reach oversold. Remember, right now is around 21 versus 39. So I think we have some GME either is going to push up and then cool it down slightly. Let's call we can push around 27, around that something, and then things is going to just, and then it's like going to be bullish, and then will come down, and then this one, guys, sometimes can move even stock is going up. The important thing is relative strength index, and it's telling you right now is stock is it has a lot of room to go up. So what is your target, guys? So my personal target, I've already said it, this thing is going to be more than GME is going to be more than 200. Yeah, GameStop is going to be more than 200. Remember, all of these things just get started, right? GME get started, and I like to use this one for long term, and I will go to show you with target support. And I don't think if we cannot break here, if I can use this one, is telling me we are going to moon. And let's see on weekly, what does this tell us on weekly right now, because you have already pushed it down. On weekly is telling you, man, this thing just break out. Even will have some volatile, but already break out. The important thing here is the stock is already breakout. On monthly, on the next June, is this thing is going to push here, and that's when GameStop is going to start like here. That's simple like that. So on GameStop since 2021, I'm going to drop. We can call this one. Let's see the where stock closed here. You see this thing? So and exactly we break out on long term, and you see this is after stock push it up here, it came here, it closes here, you ended down, it came here, and then it closed below, like it was acting like you can call here like a resistance, yeah, which is now you have already breaking. So we are going to start like here. So now you need to buy stocks. It's not going to come down here again. In fact, at the end of this month, it's going to open. If this May will close above here, whatever price here, but this thing is already started on GME. And I would like to bring course here, because when you use types of technicals, you will see this one, guys. They are calling course, and course is 11% up today, and is already breaking out. Course is already breaking out. Doesn't matter, this thing come to $2, but now you need to buy a regular stocks. You see, it started all the way from $1, and when you see this one is went all the way to I think 117, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 117. And this thing, guys, you can buy like $50 wherever money, because this thing is going to be giving you a nice volume, nice money, nice good money. See this week, even this one was already started when some few weeks ago. It started with the not GameStop but AMC, and the only thing that we saw on last week is this candlestick, which is it was a bearish, right? Hanging man, he pushes stock here, and it's good now. It's nice. The only thing that we need to see on this stock right now is only supports. So this one now, when you see the support is far away on daily, it left the supports down here. So we had this support, which when the up here, you came touches on this support, and I hope previous years stock was between the mid of this thing. I don't know. You see this one, I don't know if it's going to fail back to that. I don't know, that's another thing that I don't know right now, but it's now running up. Maybe there will be a day which is going to be cooling down, but this thing, guys, is already show a momentum. Maybe it's going to reach like $10, and then after $10 or $15, and then will be obvious, like Amara. If you remember Amara, CleanSpark, all of those things is doing a parabolic, coming down, up and down, and finally AMC breaking out with Bitcoin. So guys, thank you so much. See you later, and we can talk more.